Okay.
Okay, so this is the dollar for today. And this is just a review of what we did yesterday. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna go over it. Okay, so looking here, this is just a review kind of what we did like these last few days. Um, when you're solving for inequality, it's the same as solving an expression. So this is gonna look like the equal sign that we always use, right? So what's the first thing that you did, Maria? What do you have to do?
I did 2.
You moved over the 2 to the other side, right?
Yeah.
And we subtracted it because it's being added, so you're doing the opposite. Good job. So minus 2 on both sides is going to equal 5x is less than or equal to 15. Okay. Then what do you have to do, Gladys?
Right.
You divide?
Or
Yeah.
yeah, divided.
You divide. You divide what?
Okay.
The 5. So divide the 5 on both sides. And then x is less than or equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Do you guys remember it now?
Yeah.
Okay. I know it's been like a little bit since we last did it. But... Okay. Then when you want to put it on the number line, where are we making our circle?
I'm on it.
On the 3. Good job. And then which way is it pointing? If x is less than or equal to 3.
That way.
It's going towards the negative, right? And is it an open circle or a closed circle?
Oh, cool.
Close. Good job. Right? You guys got it? We're gonna just practice a little bit more today. I accommodated it for you guys. I took out 3 questions. We're gonna do the first. I'm gonna do the first 3 with you, and then the last 6 you guys are gonna work together to try and figure it out yourself. Okay. All right. So for number 1, you have 3x plus 1 is less than 10. What's the first thing we're doing? What's the first step?
So you put the 1. So plus 1 plus 1.
I'm sorry.
You bring down the 1.
You're minus 1.
Yeah, and so it's
On both
plus
sides,
3, yeah.
right? Okay. And it becomes 3x is less than, what's 10 minus 1?
9.
9. What's the next step?
You divide.
You divide both sides by
3.
3. Good job. Just cancel out. And what's 9 divided by 3? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when you do the number line, you're gonna make sure that it reaches the number 3. I'm gonna have the 0 over here. 1, 2, 4, 2. Where's the circle going to be? On the 3. Good job. And is it open or closed?
It's open.
Open. And then which way is it going?
Wait, this way.
What's this way? What is that?
Going on the right.
It's less, x is less than 3.
Not to the right.
To the right,
Yeah.
it's less than 3.
Oh, it's next to
So
that.
It's going this way, right? Towards the negative numbers, it's less than. Good job. All right. You're good?
can I see? Okay.
Number 2. Oh. Make sure you have your number lines. You're gonna fill it out. You don't, it doesn't matter how you fill it out as long as this 3 is gonna show in there, right?
Okay.
Let's do 2. Right, okay. Number 2. You have x over 3 plus 10 is greater than or equal to 15. What's the first thing we're doing?
Like that.
Hmm?
Divide x is over 2. X over 3. Divide them.
You drop down the 10.
The 10. You're gonna start with 10. Always start your equation with this number. You don't want to deal with whatever's stuck to the x. The x is a coefficient. Okay, either it's being multiplied like over here, or it's being divided. You do the coefficients last. You always do them last. So this is a coefficient. This is a coefficient. You want to do this one first. Okay, we're gonna subtract 10 on both sides. You're gonna end up with x over 3 is greater than or equal to 5.
It's how did you get 5? Did you divide it?
Because you subtracted 15 minus 10.
Okay.
So over here you did 10 minus 10.
Mhm.
They canceled out, and you did the same thing on this
And
side.
then you get your answer for that?
Yeah, this right here is exactly like the equal sign in an expression,
Okay.
or in an
I got you.
equation, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So whatever you do on this side, you have to do on this side. And so it's 15 also minus 10, which would make it 5. All right, how are you guys gonna put it on the number line? Let's see. So you have 5. We have to make sure the number line reaches to 5. Is my circle over, yep, it's over 5, is gonna be open or closed?
Close.
Closed, good job. We'll close it. And we'll skip this stuff. We'll skip this stuff. We forgot to take, we forgot to take out the 3, the coefficient. Okay,
Divide by 2.
so we're not, okay, so scratch 5, right? What do we do now? X is being divided by 3.
Yeah.
So what do we do now? We're doing the opposite.
So divide by
Mm.
2.
I'm sorry, what did you say, Lois?
You divide by 2.
It's being divided by 3, and you do the opposite.
What about
We're multiplying by 3, right?
Yeah.
We're multiplying both sides by 3. Right? You also multiply the 5 by 3.
Wait, you put a 3 there.
And then this cancels out. It becomes X becomes by itself. X is greater than or equal to. And what's 5 times 3?
2?
50. That's your number. So you don't put on the number line, right? We can go up by either 3s or by 5s. It doesn't matter how you do it. I'm going to redo the number line right here.
4, 5.
I'm going to do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I can go up by 3s just to make sure that the numbers actually fit into the number line. Right? Yep, okay. Got it? You're going to do a new number line. You can either go up by 3s, you can go up by 2s, you can go up by 5s. Whatever's going to make sure that that 50 fits in the number line. If you go off by 1, it's not going to fit in there, right?
Yeah.
Then we're going to make a circle. We're going to open or close.
Closed.
Close, good job. And it's going
Right.
that way, good job. And we're going this way. X is greater than, when you see greater than, you flip your equation by accident. See how it's pointing?
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay, so X is greater than or equal to 15. That means X, whatever the number X is, it's going to be bigger than 15. That's why we go this way. Okay? All right, we're going to do one more. We have negative 2X plus 22 is less than 18. What's the first step? Notice.
Minus 1.
Minus 22, perfect. Minus 22, because we don't want to touch the coefficient first. Minus 22 on both sides, right?
Yeah.
And then it becomes negative 2X is less than, if you want to use your calculator, you can, 18 minus 22.
Can I-
What? You're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you get what we did though?
Mhm.
Okay. So it's gonna be negative 2X
Yeah.
is less than, and then in the calculator, we'll put 18 minus 22. Negative 4. Okay. What's the next step?
You pretty sure you divide it
Divide by
by 2.
negative 2, right? Negative 2 on both sides. Okay, what's the only difference between inequalities and equations, or one of the main differences between inequalities and equations, is when you divide by a negative, what happens to that sign, that less than sign? When you divide by a negative, what did we talk about? When you divide by a negative, what happens to this? It flips. Remember, notice? If you divide by this negative right here, yes. Yep, good job. So, negative 4 divided by negative 2 is what? What's negative 4 divided by negative 2? Not 4 times 2. No, that's, you have like, negative 2, right? A positive 2. So we're going to have X is greater than 2. Number 1, the sign flips. Number 2, because you're dividing by 2 with 2 negatives, it's going to create a positive answer, right? So you're going to have X is greater than 2. And then on the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then how is it going to look?
So,
On the number line, you're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, is 3. Where's the circle going to go?
on the left,
At what number?
Right.
on two,
2, right? And then the open or close?
open,
Open, good job. And then notice, which way is it going?
Right. Who's to the right?
To the right. Yep. Good job. Good job. Okay. I want you guys to work on the next few problems by yourself. Work together. I want you guys to work together. I feel like you know some parts and you know some parts, and then together you guys will be able to figure out things. Okay? We're gonna come back in about, I'll check on you guys in about 10 minutes. Okay? And then I'll see where we're going at. Okay? I'm gonna give you clarification so that I can work on answers, just in case you need them.
guys, can I get different calculator? This one's better.
Of course. Feel free to help each other out, guys. Okay?
Yeah. This.
Is it 20? So put in the category. But never feel one minus the
Divided it. Need to divide. Just divide. Six. Yeah, it's divide this.
I think it's next one.
Oh, yeah, that's the answer for that.
Yeah.
I did it for you too. Alright, let's just do that. What did you get?
Hmm?
Did you get which one did you get?
What?
What?
Yeah, good.
Okay, let me. So.
I'm gonna give you guys about 3 minutes. And then we'll just go over what you guys did.
Wait. The question.
So the 5. That's a 5, right?
Yeah.
And one's 5. And 6 plus 3 is 9. Right?
Mm.
And then what are you gonna do on this side? And also then multiply. this.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start. Now let's just finish doing the number one. You can finish it. How confident do you feel?
Mid.
Like mid?
Yeah.
Is it better than when you first started?
Yeah.
I feel like you've improved.
Yeah.
to show a lot of improvement. You weren't just like stuck and then like not doing anything.
No, yeah.
Usually like yeah.
Yeah.
You're actually I saw you trying, which is amazing. You too notice.
Miss.
Mm.
Oh,
Okay, you good? All right. So for number 4, what did you guys do? What's the first thing you did?
Only 97.
We did -11, right? I see you guys both did that. Good job. Then we got 7x is greater than plus -31 minus 11. Would you guys get
-42.
-42? 42. Then what did you do notice?
I
You got -42. You had to do
was not fast two.
Hmm?
Fast two.
around this one, I'm sorry. You're gonna divide both sides
That's it.
by 7, which you did. I can see that. Okay, so we divided both sides by 7, right? And then x is greater than -42 divided by 7. What was your answer? -6. Perfect. Good job. You see what you did. You divided here. Did you divide on this side?
No.
Okay, so you did it all right up until you divided. Just make sure you're dividing on the side too. Okay, perfect. And then you got -6. X is greater than -6. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then was it an open or closed circle?
It's a book.
It's open.
Yeah.
And then it's greater than x is greater than. So which one is it going on the number line?
Flips
Greater than
right.
to the right, right? Is that what you guys did?
So it
Yeah.
flips.
That's you had it right.
So it flips.
Okay.
I thought it was only supposed to flip if it's like negative.
No, we didn't. We didn't flip. I didn't flip.
Oh,
No,
So it's wrong.
we're saying x is greater than.
okay.
You know the whole alligator mouth thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So x is greater.
Then
That's actually pointing towards the x when you say that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm impressed. I'm genuinely impressed because you guys actually got almost all of it right. You missed a tiny minor mistake.
yeah, I told him to divide over here.
Yeah, but honestly, you guys are doing a lot better than when we first started. Okay, so number 5. Number 5, we did, what was the first thing we did?
You do
Minus two.
yeah,
Plus
but
3.
it's plus.
Plus 3, right? Because it's this -3 right here.
Oh,
We did
yeah.
plus 3,
Two
right?
negatives equal plus.
Oh, you subtracted 3. You have to do the opposite to cancel it out, right?
Why didn't I say the
If you,
Miss, don't two negatives equal plus.
Hmm?
Don't two negative numbers equal
Yeah.
plus.
mhm.
I didn't
Okay,
say
so
the
plus 3, and then you're gonna add on both sides. X over 5 is less than or equal to, what's 6 minus 3?
minus.
1, okay, I got you. So we added 3 on both sides, okay, so then you get x over 5 is less than or equal to, you did it on this side, good job, 6 plus 3 is 9, right? Let me see, perfect, you got it right. Good job. Okay, then what did we do, Maria? Wait, let's just wait for notice, are you good? Okay, then what's the next step?
Which step are you on?
Oh,
You multiply
Multiply the 9 by 5.
the 9 by 5, good job. Multiply both sides by 5. Notice what's 9 times 5? 45. So we got x is less than or equal to 45, right? Good job. That's okay. Minor mistake.
Okay.
You got, yeah, but this is right. You got it right. Okay, wait, no. Flip your,
Oh, it's the other way.
yep. Make sure you guys be careful because it says it right there, right? The only time you're flipping it is if you're dividing by a negative or something like that. Okay, but if we're working with negative numbers, but we're not. On the number line, I'm gonna start with 0 right here, but I'm gonna go up by tens because it's a big number, 45, 40, 50, 60, and the circle's gonna be between the 40 and the 50.
Wait,
Did
Miss
you-
Clay, I have a question.
Yes.
You see here,
Mm-hmm.
do you add or multiply? Like, I always get confused on. Like,
For the
plus,
three?
right? So, because there's a plus,
Well, what did you do?
I just left it out.
You added them, right?
Yeah,
So you added here, this canceled out, and then you added these together, which you got 9.
so it's plus. Whatever number you see here, that's what you do to it.
Yeah, so it's plus 3.
Okay, like here there's a negative, so it's 18 negative. Like, right? 18 minus.
Yeah, so when you did minus 22, you subtracted minus 22 here, 18 minus 22, we got negative 4.
Okay. Thank you.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. On the number line, is it an open or closed circle?
Number 5.
For number 5,
Closed.
closed. And then which way? It's saying x is less than or equal to 45. Which way?
This way. Left.
Guys, I'm so proud. You're getting better. You're getting so much better. This is great. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stop the video.